Hello, fellow nature enthusiasts. Welcome back to Wild's Life, where today we are about to unravel the mind-blowing secrets of one of the quirkiest insects out there, the blowfly. The blowfly, scientifically known as Calliphoridae, exhibits a striking resemblance to the common housefly. However, it boasts a slight size advantage and often sports a metallic sheen, adding to its unique allure. Within this group of filth flies, you encounter noteworthy members like the blue bottlefly, green bottlefly, and the cluster fly. Mirroring the habits of houseflies, blowflies share similar feeding and breeding tendencies. Get ready to be amazed, entertained, and maybe just a tad grossed out, as we unveil the hidden world of blowflies. Don't worry, it's going to be a fly-tastic adventure you won't want to miss. Exploring the appearance of blowflies. Blowflies, scientifically known as Calliphoridae, bear a striking resemblance to the common housefly. However, they possess a distinguishing feature: their slightly larger size and often iridescent metallic appearance. These flies are typically colored in shades of metallic black, blue, or green, making them easily recognizable. An adult blowfly measures approximately 1/3 to 2/5 in length, and their larvae, often referred to as maggots, resemble small, pale white worms. This unique appearance is essential for identifying blowflies. Their metallic sheen sets them apart from other fly species. The adult blowfly's striking colors make them stand out in the world of insects, even though they share several habits and habitats with their more common housefly relatives. Understanding their appearance is the first step in recognizing these intriguing insects. Blowflies, a global habitat. Blowflies, members of the Diptera insect order, have made homes in virtually every geographical corner of our planet. Their adaptability to diverse environments is astounding. These insects particularly thrive in regions characterized by temperate to tropical climates, offering loose, damp soil and ample sources of decaying organic matter. The key to understanding their global presence lies in their habitat preferences. Blowflies favor locales where they can lay their eggs on decaying materials, such as animal carcasses, feces, or rotting vegetation. These conditions are commonly found in a wide range of climates, making blowflies remarkably ubiquitous. Their resilience and ability to adapt to different ecosystems ensure that they remain a prominent part of the global insect population. The origin of blowflies. Blowflies have an interesting habit of breeding outdoors and then finding their way into human dwellings. The reason behind their indoor invasion lies in their quest for food sources, such as rotting produce or decaying meat. When you spot blowflies inside your home, it's a telltale sign that something nearby is drawing them in. Their seasonal behavior is equally fascinating. In the fall, blowflies often seek warmth indoors, looking for a cozy place to spend the winter. As spring approaches, they become more active and start emerging in homes. This cyclical pattern highlights their adaptability and their unique relationship with human habitats, making them a curious subject of study in the world of entomology. Unveiling blowfly habits. Blowflies, like their housefly cousins, have a broad palate, feasting on various substances. They readily consume garbage, rotting vegetation, and other decaying materials. However, it's the larvae of most blowfly species that take on the role of scavengers, feeding voraciously on decaying animal carcasses and feces. The intriguing aspect of blowfly habits is their reproduction cycle. Adult blowflies lay their eggs on dead animals, creating a ready-made buffet for their hungry offspring. A single female can deposit between 200 to 300 eggs on the flesh of a deceased or wounded animal. Astonishingly, these eggs hatch in as little as a few hours to a couple of days, setting the stage for rapid larval development. Understanding their feeding and breeding habits provides valuable insights into the ecological role of blowflies, as well as the challenges they pose when their interests intersect with human environments. The lure of blowflies. What draws blowflies to your yard or vicinity? It's a range of unsavory materials that act as irresistible magnets for these insects. Garbage, compost, animal feces, spoiled meat, and any rotting matter can pique their interest and lead them straight to your doorstep. For pet owners, there's an additional concern. If your furry friend has an open wound, it becomes a prime target for female blowflies to lay their eggs. This makes pet owners particularly susceptible to blowfly infestations, underscoring the importance of maintaining a clean and sanitary environment for both humans and animals. Understanding what attracts blowflies is the first step in devising effective strategies to keep them at bay and prevent their proliferation in your vicinity. Unraveling the presence of blowflies indoors. Blowflies are naturally inclined towards outdoor environments due to their affinity for organic and decaying substances. Consequently, their appearance indoors often signifies the proximity of rotting matter. If you spot blowflies in your home, chances are there's something decaying nearby, attracting these uninvited guests. The indoor presence of blowflies is a clear indicator that action is needed to address the source of their attraction. This could involve a thorough investigation to locate and remove any decaying material that might be hidden within walls or crawl spaces. Addressing the root cause is essential to prevent their continued presence indoors. Understanding why blowflies venture indoors emphasizes the need for vigilant hygiene and cleanliness, both indoors and outdoors, to deter these insects from infiltrating your living spaces. The perceived danger of blowflies. While blowflies do not pose a direct threat to humans by biting, they are significant carriers of bacteria and germs. This makes them potential vectors for disease transmission, particularly when they come into contact with food or surfaces in your home. However, the danger they pose is more pronounced for animals. Blowfly eggs laid in an animal's wounds can have severe consequences. The feeding larvae can exacerbate existing injuries, potentially causing severe illness or even death if left untreated. Blowflies may also lay eggs in sensitive areas like an animal's eyes, ears, or nose, compounding the risk. Understanding the potential dangers associated with blowflies underscores the importance of proactive measures to prevent their presence in areas frequented by pets and livestock. The life cycle of blowflies. The life cycle of blowflies is a fascinating journey of transformation. Like most insects, blowflies undergo a complete metamorphosis, progressing through 4 distinct stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. However, what sets them apart is their development through 3 larval stages, making their life cycle particularly intricate. It all begins when a female blowfly lays her eggs, typically during the winter. These eggs, laid on animal carcasses, wounds, or other suitable sites, hatch within 24 to 48 hours, depending on environmental conditions. The larvae, often referred to as maggots, undergo 3 successive stages of development before pupating. After a period of pupation, they emerge as adult blowflies. This entire process, from egg to adult, spans 2 to 3 weeks, with most adult blowflies living for 2 weeks to a month. This intricate life cycle sheds light on their remarkable adaptability and reproductive prowess. Will blowflies depart naturally? If blowflies have invaded your yard, chances are they've found a consistent source of attraction, such as pet waste or decaying rodent remains. To address the issue effectively, it's crucial to maintain a clean and sanitary environment. Blowflies will likely continue breeding and increasing in numbers if suitable breeding grounds persist. Indoor infestations may signal the presence of a hidden dead rodent within wall voids or crawl spaces. In such cases, the pests are unlikely to leave until the carcass is removed. This highlights the importance of identifying and addressing the root cause of blowfly infestations to ensure they don't persist. Understanding the factors that influence the presence of blowflies emphasizes the need for proactive measures to discourage their continued presence and breeding. Banishing blowflies, natural approaches in pest control. The battle against blowflies begins with sanitation as the primary line of defense. Ensuring that trash is securely sealed and removed daily, along with regular cleaning to eliminate rotting materials and organic debris, is essential. Inspecting and repairing screens on doors and windows is also crucial to prevent flies from infiltrating indoor spaces. When all else fails, and blowfly problems persist, consider pest control products. However, these should be a last resort after exhausting other methods. Effective plant oil-based indoor fly killers, like Heath spray or Heath flying insect killer, can be used for spot treatment. These natural oils are formidable weapons against a variety of insects. For personal protection against flies and mosquitoes, plant oil-based natural insect repellent provides an effective shield. These solutions offer a comprehensive strategy to combat blowflies while minimizing the use of chemical pesticide, aligning with eco-friendly and sustainable pest management practices. And there you have it, friends. We hope you've had a buzzing good time uncovering the astonishing secrets of blowflies. From their shimmering metallic outfits to their talent for turning trash into treasure, these little critters are true masters of adaptation. If you've enjoyed this mind-blowing journey into the world of insects, be sure to hit that like button and share it with your fellow nature enthusiasts. And hey, don't forget to subscribe because we're always cooking up more fascinating facts about the natural world. Who knew that flies could be this interesting, right? So, until our next adventure, keep your eyes peeled for the remarkable and the unexpected in the great outdoors. Remember, even the tiniest creatures can teach us the biggest lessons. Thanks for buzzing by, and we'll catch you in the next video.